Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna hopefully get Tim's mini bike rolling. As you can see, we've got this old BMX bike here. Tim gave it to me. He got it in the dumpster. But it's gonna be great for parts. It's got really fat tires. So in this video we're gonna chop it up, get the steering and everything set up, the rear wheels. And yeah, pretty much that. So hope you enjoy and see you at the end of the video. Alright guys, so we chopped up all the pieces here. Here's the frame, we got all the pieces back there. And we're gonna weld them together, and at the end of the video, we're gonna see it roll. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got it all tacked up. It's looking pretty good, so I'm going to finish welding this up. My brother John's over there, he's going to join me welding it. And we'll see where it rolls. See you then. Alright guys, we got it all mostly welded up. We're going to wire brush it and put the wheels on, and let's take it for a roll. Let's do it. We got it all rolling together. Ready for a little time to get it rolling. Let's try it out. Guys, so it rolled incredibly well. Now we're gonna mock up the motor, the gas tank, and the seat. Let's get to it. Alright guys, that's all for this video. We got everything mocked up. It rolls well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time. See you later.